Operational technology drives the world's most critical systems, from energy grids to manufacturing plants. But as connectivity grows, so does cyber risk. Threats are evolving rapidly, and a single breach can halt operations, compromise safety, and cost millions. Schneider Electric is redefining OT cybersecurity. Our vision is to empower security leaders with resilient, priority-driven solutions that not only protect critical operations, but also drive business performance. Our goal is simple: be your go-to partner for cyber risk management, delivering support and expertise across the full lifecycle of your operations. So what sets us apart? At Schneider Electric Cybersecurity Solutions, we bridge the IT and OT worlds with unmatched domain expertise in energy management and industrial automation. Unlike pure-play security firms, we don't just secure systems, we actually build them. From connected devices and control systems to advanced energy and automation platforms, we understand the full stack that powers smart factories, energy grids, and industrial ecosystems. This unique perspective empowers us to assess, design, implement, manage, and continuously optimize resilient cybersecurity architectures tailored to meet your industry's modernization journey. Our integrated cybersecurity portfolio delivers complete end-to-end risk mitigation across every stage of your security journey. And with our managed security solutions, we deliver continuous, threat-informed monitoring and response that proactively identifies vulnerabilities, tracks evolving threats, and ensures rapid, contextualized action. From energy to manufacturing to critical infrastructure, we help you build resilience for tomorrow, prioritizing risks, empowering teams, and securing operations with confidence. Schneider Electric is your trusted partner in creating a resilient digital future.